Okay, let's do this. Kung naghahanap kayo guys ng training na may internship, yung actual na pwede ninyong mai-apply yung natututunan ninyo, tapos yung pwede kayong mag-aral, kasi non-voice siya, pagkatapos pwede nyo siyang pag-aralan from zero experience na as in never pa kayong nag-work ever online. If this is you, then I might be able to help you out. Hi, my name is Mary and our team actually offers different classes. So, meron tayong regular na classes, meron tayong level 1 which is free, level 2, tapos meron na tayo ngayon na by demand yung tawag namin, level 3 yun. Tinatanong ni Jazzy kung meron daw bang training ng Amazon na may actual or internship para mas maging familiar sa flow ng work. We have a level 3 class happening on Saturday and Sunday, 8 till 12 yung class session niya. So, 999 pesos lang siya. To enroll, click link. Or kung mas familiar kayo sa Instagram, i-click nyo lang to. Tapos, ipopost ko rin sa Facebook ko yung mismong link kung gusto nyo dun mag-enroll. Basically, it will lead you to this page. All you have to do is click Amazon Level 3. 2 days ang class nito, guys, ha? A total of 8 hours. Live Zoom training siya. Pagkatapos, after that, you will have 2 weeks of internship before pa kayo makapag one-on-one with me, and then, before nyo pa makuha yung certification nyo. Again, this class is a by request or by demand na class. Hindi siya namin regularly i-offer. After the class, you will have 2 weeks of internship na application ng actual na natutunan ninyo. And then, saka pa lang kayo pwedeng mag-mock interview, yung one-on-one nyo with me, and then saka pa lang kayo makakawa na certificate. 999 pesos, it's closing tomorrow at 6 p.m. So, habol na lang kayo sa enroll. See you sa classroom. Bye!